Hello everyone, this is Teacher Karen at nandito tayo sa panibagong nating lesson. Ang lesson natin ngayon ay addition and subtraction of similar fraction. Okay. So begin to end. Simplify the following fraction in its lowest term to determine the path from begin to end. Shade the box. So this is the maze. So we will begin here and we will end up this in here. Okay. So we simplify the fraction into a lowest term. So 4/6 or 4 over 6. So 4 over 6 divided by 2, which is the LCD of 4 and 6. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the answer is 2/3. So we will shade this part because the answer, the lowest term of 4 over 6 is 2/3. Next, we will go to 12 over 9. So the LCD of 12 and 9 is 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And then 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So, the lowest term of 12 over 9 is 4/3. So, this will be the answer. So, we will shade this part. And the next is 8 over 24. So, 8 over 24. So, the LCD of 8 and 24 is 8. So, we will divide numerator and denominator by 8. So, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So the lowest term of 8 over 24 is 1/3. Next, 27 over 30. So 27 over 30, the LCD of 27 and 30 is 3. So 27 divided by 3, that is 9. And 30 divided by 3 is 10. So the lowest term of 27 over 30 is 9/10. And then this is the end. Next, addition and subtraction of similar fraction. So rules. In addition of similar fraction, we will add the numerator, a plus c over, then copy the denominator, where b is not equal to 0. In subtraction, we will subtract the numerator and copy the denominator, where b is not equal to 0. Okay, we have examples. Example number 1. Negative 2 and 5 over 8 plus 7 over 8 is equal to, first, we will change the mixed number into improper fraction. So, how do we do that? Yung whole number, i-multiply natin sa denominator. So, 2 times 8 is equal to 16. So, huwag muna natin isali yung negative sign niya. So, later na natin siya gagamitin. So, 2 times 8 is 16. Then, we will add the numerator. 5. So, 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Ngayon, yung 21, siya ngayon ang magiging numerator, then copy the denominator, then copy the sign. So, the equivalent improper fraction of negative 2 and 5 over 8 is negative 21 over 8 plus 7 over 8 is equal to, i-add natin yung numerator, and then copy the denominator. So, gagamitin naman natin dito yung rules ng addition of integers. Kapag parehas ng sign, we will add. Pag pagkaiba ng sign, we will subtract. So, here, we have negative and positive. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, ang gagawin natin, we will subtract. So, 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. Then, mas marami ang negative kaysa sa positive. So, we will use negative. So, the final answer is negative 14. And then we will copy the denominator, which is 8. And then we will get the lowest term. So how do we get the lowest term? first, kailangan malaman natin yung LCD. Ano nga ba yung LCD? So, ang LCD, yan yung number na pwedeng ipang-divide sa numerator and denominator na makakakuha tayo ng parehas na whole number o eksaktong sagot. So, sa 14 tsaka sa 8, ang LCD nila is 2. So, we will divide numerator and denominator by 2. So, 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then, copy the sign negative. So, the final answer is negative 7 over 4. Next example, number 2. 7 over 9 minus 1 and 1 over 9 is equal to what? First, we will copy the first rational number, and then we will change the mixed number 1 and 1 over 9 into improper fraction. So, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, we will multiply the whole number and the denominator. So, 1 times 9 is equal to 9, and then we will add the numerator plus 1. So, 9 plus 1 is 10. So, yung 10 ang magsisilbing numerator, and then copy the denominator. So, the equivalent improper fraction sa 1 over 9 is 10 over 9. So, we will subtract 7 minus 10. So, we will subtract the numerator, then copy the denominator. So, here, gagamitin naman natin yung subtraction rules. So, keep, change, change, diba? So, keep natin yung 7, change natin ng plus, and then ito magiging negative. So, magkaiba na ngayon sila ng sign. So, ano mangyayari? Ma-minus natin or subtract. So, 7 minus 10. So, magkabaliktad sila, di ba? Baliktarin nyo lang. 10 minus 7. Since mas marami yung negative, this is a positive, so we will use negative. So, ang tip ko lang sa inyo, kapag ganito magka-subtraction, tas magkabaligtad sila, i-minus nyo lang diretso 10 minus 7. And then, kapag baligtad, mas malaki yung nasa pangalawa, automatic that is negative kapag subtraction. So, negative 3. Then, copy the denominator and get the lowest term. So, hahanap ulit tayo ng LCD nila. So, ang LCD ni 3 at saka ni 9 is 3. So, we will divide both by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then copy the sign negative. So the answer is negative 1/3. So that is the final answer. Next example, we have problem solving. At a pizza party, Jared and his friends ate 3 1/4 cheese pizzas and 2 3/4 Hawaiian pizzas. How much pizza did they eat in all? So, first, 3 1/4 plus 2 3/4. Kasi ang tanong, ilan lahat yung kinain nila. So, meaning, i-add natin yung cheese pizza na kinain nila at yung Hawaiian pizza na kinain nila. So, since mixed number sila, we will change mixed into improper fraction. Okay, so i-multiply natin yung whole number sa denominator. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Then we will add the numerator plus 1. Then 13, siya ang magsisilbing numerator. Then copy the denominator. So the answer is 13 over 4 plus yung namang mix na ito, 2 3/4. So 2 3/4. Ganun din, we will multiply the whole number and the denominator. 2 times 4 is equal to 8, then we will add the numerator, plus 3, then 11. So, 11, magsisilbing numerator, and then copy the denominator. So, 11 over 4. And then we will add the numerator, 13 plus 11, then copy the denominator. So, that is 24 over 4. And then, we will get the lowest term. But if you will divide this one 24 divided by 4, di ba katulad nga sabi ko, kapag fraction, automatic that is division. So, if we will divide 24 by 4, we will get 6. So, the answer is 6. So, how much pizza did they eat in all? 6 pizza. Next. What's more? We have activity number 1, train sum. So, perform the indicated operations. So, we have train here, and then we will find the answer. So, 4 over 15 plus 3 over 15. So, what will be the answer? So, 4 plus 3, so we will add the numerator, and then we will copy the denominator. So, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 over 15. Wala nang ilo-lowest term to kasi iyan na yun eh. Wala na number na pwedeng ipang-divide sa kanilang dalawa, parehas, na magto-total siya ng buo. Kaya this will be your final answer. 7 over 15. Next, train. Negative 7 over 20 plus 9 over 20. So, we will add the negative 7 and then 9. Then, copy the denominator. So, negative 7 plus 9, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, we will subtract 9 minus 7 is 2. Then, and copy the denominator, 20. Then, get the lowest term. So, obvious naman, 2 yung pwedeng pang-divide sa kanilang dalawa. Much better kung titingnan niyo yung maliit na number, kung pwede nang pang-divide sa isa, yun ay parang magiging LCD nila. Pero kung wala talaga, we will find the LCD, yung number na pwede ipang-divide sa kanilang dalawa. Para makuha yun, hanapin natin yung factors. Okay. So, that is divided by 2. Then, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, the answer is 1 over 10. Next. So, next train, negative 9 over 12 minus negative 7 over 12. So, negative 9 minus negative 7. Then, copy the denominator. So, negative 9 plus 7. So, keep, change, change. So, magkaiba ngayon sila ng sign. Then, copy the denominator. So, we will subtract. Negative 9 minus 7, that is 2. And then, kunin natin yung pinakamarami, which is negative. So, that is negative 2 over 12. And then, get the lowest term. So, divide natin by 2. So, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1 over 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, the final answer is negative 1 over 6. Next, 5 over 7 minus 9 over 7. So, we will subtract the numerator, 5 minus 9, then copy the denominator. As I said before, so pag magkabaliktad sila na mas malaki yung nasa pangalawa kasi sa una, i-minus nyo lang siya, 9 minus 5, that is 4. And then, automatic, that is negative, over 7. So, wala nang i-lowest pa dito, siya na yun. So, that is negative 4 over 7. Next, negative 4 and 2/3 plus negative 4 over 3. So, first, we will change this into improper fraction. So, negative 4 times 3 is equal to 12 plus 2, that is 14. So, negative 14 over 3. So, negative 14 over 3 plus negative 4 over 3. So, first, we will add negative 14 and negative 4, then copy the denominator. Since magkapare sila ng sign, we will add 14 plus 4 is 18, then copy the sign, negative. So, the answer is negative 18. And then, copy the denominator. Since, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, kung pwede namang ipang-divide yung nasa yung pinakamaliit na number dun sa kapartner niyang number, gawin na natin katulad dito. 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Since negative and positive, magkaiba na sign, the answer is negative 6. Next. So we have addition and subtraction rules, or addition and subtraction of similar fraction. So in addition, we will just add the numerator and then copy the denominator where b is not equal to 0. Then in subtraction, we will subtract the numerator, then copy the denominator where b is not equal to 0. So see you again next time. God bless you and thank you.